Hi friends, this is Kopi. Today I am going to show how to make the bracket in part design. First open the part design module and change the name as bracket. Choose the XY plane, draw the rectangle, all the dimensions already have in the drafting screen. Please refer. Give the dimension as per the given dimension. .5 and 127.5. Now extrude the sketch. Here we can choose the length of pad. We can change the length of pad 160. Now we need to make a two-side bracket. First we can make one side and then we can do the another side. Left side view and right side view as shown figure. Select the plane, choose the rectangle, select the radius as 1 3. The given radius value is 1 3. Now we can mention the length and width of rectangle. One at 5.5. .44. We need to make the pocket. Value change to 56. Now choose the pocket and we can change the pocket depth here as 44. Select other side and draw the rectangle. This side radius value is 5. One 5.5. we need to define the length and width of the rectangle. The width is 49.5, the length is 115.5. The center value 57.5. Extrude the sketch. The packet depth is 60. Now I am going to draw the two rectangular. The width is same for two rectangle, 20 mm. Is both. This side radius is 13. Radius value is 13. The other side radius value is 5. This all dimension taken by the drafting dimensions. Now I going to select the multi pocket. Now we can make the two pocket operation with the help of multi pocket. $29.5. We can choose the two different depth. Select the groove. Select the profile and the rotating axis. Select OK. Same to this side. Select the groove and profile and rotating axis. Thank you.